All right, guys, here we are. We're at Payne Park in Sarasota, and we had a crash. What was your name again? Hurt. Hurt. We're in a very difficult bowl to skate in here, and we got some chicks and bowls girls here today, carving it up in the pool. Nice. Nice. I see someone else go.
I'm going that way, or she's going that way.
We're gonna carve it up. Yeah. Here we go. Very difficult bowl. Nice. Good job. We're carving it up here today, people. Little Wayne.
No, that's my preferred way. Yeah, you don't always your preferred side.
Next up. Yeah. Steep wall rider. Here we go. Diane. Oh, Diana Rex. Nice save, though. You got it. This is not an easy bowl to skate.
You're so good at it. All right, I'm going to try that way because I don't think I can do it.
Got it. Oh, nice. Some of the girls here. All right, let's move along. Nice job, you guys. We're gonna go down here. So fun, you never know who you're gonna meet. That was nice. Everyone's having fun here. A lot of people here. There's a lot of roller skaters here today, which is awesome. We're gonna go down here to the mini. See if I can find Jazz. There's Jazz.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hey, what's up?
I've introduced some girls over there. They were in the bowl, skating the swimming pool.
Really?
Let's see what you got.
No.
We got some new friends here today. Can you all say your names?
Hi, Pillabite.
Pillabite? Yeah, nice to meet you guys. Pillabite's learned how to drop in today. Let's see. You got it. No pressure. Oh! That comes with it. You're gonna crash. Very dramatic. Can she successfully do it?
You missed the successful stick.
I know. The camera sometimes will jinx you. You got it. Let's see it.
Like it hurt. No, it's like I just try to like slide. Yeah, that's exactly perfect when you're gonna bail, slide.
Yeah.
For dirty. Yeah, I was like,
You got it.
You got it.
Yeah, and a stall. Nice job. Excellent. So these are some of our friends we just met here today. It's so fun to meet new people. We're out here having fun and learning. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell for more content. We appreciate you guys watching. Say bye.